Alright, so now we're gonna get my parents' Heatmaster G7000 started. It's the same furnace as mine. It was only installed a little bit earlier than mine. And that's what it looks like. We got a wood box right next to it. And that's the house that it heats. Usually my brother does this, a lot of the stuff with this one. Looks like he got it a bit cleaner than I did. And see what it looks like down here. About the same. Close that. And gotta take the cap off. Press cold start. The fan came on. That's something that didn't happen with mine, so I had a lot harder time starting mine. Now, I'll set you here. We'll see what we can do. Done getting the bales. Gonna check see how high the temperature's got on the furnace. It needs to get to 180 degrees before the water inside has to get to 180 degrees before the fan shuts off. Well, it's at almost 90, 89 and a half. Guess I should check how much wood is in it. Supposed to use that lever to get all the smoke out before you open the door. Oh yeah, I'll maybe put one block in. My brother will probably put a couple more blocks in. Something wrong with this lever. I don't know what it is, but it gets stuck. Alright. My brother will probably put some more in it tonight before he goes to bed. Not sure exactly when he'll do that, but my furnace, I usually do it feed it at 9 in the morning and 9 at night, but he often does it earlier than that, so. Just checking on the silo. And now get to the lid platform. Wanted to see what the smoke coming out of the furnace looks like from up here. This is my soybean field that's left over there. Not sure if you guys can see the cornfields from here, but I sure can't. It's way on the other side of the silo, but I don't think you guys can see it either. Alright. Anyways, that's what it looks like. This unloader, there's a fork on it. I put a hammer up here. And yeah, I'm gonna climb back down now. It's safer in my pocket, so I'm gonna put you guys there. So that's probably it for this video. My furnace isn't smoking anymore. So. Cold start is done on it. Now it just comes on when it needs to heat up.